landing here. This is week 2 assignment. As you can see, my browser is already running. So I'll take you straight to test all the functionality of my program. Here, as you can see, my Swagger is already running. So we start with, I have 2 gates in my program. The first gate show all the database which one is in my program, as you can see, and I'll come down here. You see the list of all my data contacts here. Then the next is pull. I'll click on pull, click try out, and then I'll come here. I'll write just chain, and then I'll click execute. And then, as you can see, the name has been executed, it's been responding. But to going further, I'll come just here in my MongoDB to show you my data. As you can see, my database is seated here. And then, when I'll finish, I'll come here to show you how the name that I'm putting in my iPad is automatically updating also here in my database server. So, I come here, I'll go next to gate, my second gate, and then I'll click on try out, and then sorry, that is not the link. Here I have, I'll click, and then here it is the result of the ID numbers and the information that is in that ID number. The name is Kevin, and then as you can see, all the details are here. I'll go to the next function, which is put, and then I'll click it. Also, I'll go with the same method, put the ID. In here, I change the name to Rose, and I change also the favorite color to black, and I change the date of birth to David, so that we're gonna go check to it, and then I'll click execute. As you can see, it appears here, the name is Rose, favorite color black, the date of birth also has changed. And then we're gonna go to our last function, and I'm gonna go to the same procedure, pull, and then click on execute. As you can see, it's been deleted. Everything here has done quietly, and then I'll go to my MongoDB now. In my MongoDB here, I'll refresh it. As you can see here in my MongoDB, the data I just put now, none of them appearing because I just deleted. So we're gonna just go and add and showing you that the one I add appear here. I'll go back here. Yeah, here is the place to add. Cool. So everything is in here. I'm just gonna click on execute so that it can be added in my MongoDB data. And then I'm gonna come in my go to my MongoDB and refresh it. While it's refreshing, now that finished refreshing my page, it takes a couple of minutes, a second. The name we are looking for, the one we just created, is Rose, favorite color black, and date of birth has been changed to 30. So there is its name, Rose, favorite color black, and when we come here, you'll see that it's here that I just posted. And in my MongoDB, it automatically appear as the last data here. Now we'll go to my render.com, and you can see my work is already live. I'm just gonna open it up here on live. And now that I am in live, I'll just gonna refresh it. Here my iPad is live. I'll just gonna show the face gate when I click execute, and then as the result you see my whole database appear here. And this is the functionality of my web. Thank you.